Hey kids! Today, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 98 2nd Edition in VirtualBox. So let's begin. First, download VirtualBox. Link in description. First, click on the blue button that says New or press Ctrl N, or if you're on a Mac, Command N. First, give your VM a name. I'll make mine Windows 98 SE. It should detect the OS as Windows 98. Click Next. Select the amount of RAM you want to use. The default is 64 megabytes, but I will make it 128 megabytes. Next, select the amount of disk space you want. I'll leave it at 2 gigabytes. Click Finish. Next, click on the orange button that says Settings or press Ctrl S, or if you're on a Mac, Command S. Go to the System tab. Go to Acceleration, then uncheck Enable Nested Paging. It won't work if you have nested paging enabled. Then go to the Storage tab. First, click on the floppy disk icon. If it isn't installed, you'll have to install it yourself. Next, click on the floppy disk icon with an arrow, then click Choose a disk file. Navigate over to your Windows 98 boot disk. Link for the one I used is in the description. Once you find the file, double click on it. Then click on the blue CD icon. Then click on the blue CD icon with an arrow and click Choose a disk file. Navigate over to your Windows 98 SE ISO. Again, link for the one I use is in the description. Once you find the file, double click on it and click OK. Then, click the green arrow that says Start. Press Enter to start the VM with CD-ROM support. Once you're at the A prompt, type fdisk and press Enter. Choose Y and press Enter to enable large disk support. Choose 1 and press Enter. Again, choose 1 and press Enter. Choose Y and press Enter. Press Escape to exit fdisk. Then, release your mouse cursor with your host key, click Machine, then click Reset. Then, click back to the VirtualBox window. Press Enter to start the VM with CD-ROM support. Once you see the A prompt again, type Format C and press Enter. Press Y, then Enter to begin the format. Once it's done, you can give it a label. I don't want a volume label, so I'll just press Enter. Make sure you have your Windows 98 SE ISO in the VM. Then type E:, then Setup. Press Enter to run ScanDisk. Once it's done, press Right, then Enter to exit ScanDisk. Once you see the screen, press Continue. Then, it will prepare the setup. You can choose to install Windows to any directory, but the default is C Windows. I want to leave it at C Windows, so I will just click Next. Then, it will prepare the directory you picked. There are 4 ways to set up Windows: Typical, Portable, Compact, and Custom. I will choose Typical, so I will just click Next. I want to install the most common components, so I will just click Next. Then, give your VM a name. I'll name mine Win98 SE. Select the country you live in. I will scroll up and select Canada. Click Next. If you see the screen, you can either create a blank image file and insert it to make a startup disk, or skip it. I want to skip it, so I will click Cancel, then OK. Then click Next to begin copying files. Once you see the screen, press your host key to release your cursor, then go to Devices, Floppy drives, then click Remove Disk from Virtual Drive. After that, click back inside the VirtualBox window and click Restart Now. Once you see this screen, press Enter to boot from the hard disk. Wait for it to boot. Type your name, and if you want, your company name. I'll make my name TOWF and my company TOWF Co. Click I accept the agreement and click Next. You can either use this product key or find one yourself online. Once you're done, click Next and Finish. Then, it will initialize its driver database, set up any hardware and plug-and-play devices, then detect non-plug-and-play hardware. Then, click Restart Now. Press Enter to boot from the hard disk, then wait for it to boot up. It will set up your hardware again. Set the date and time. It's correct on mine, so I'll just click Close. Then, it'll set up Control Panel, Programs on the Start menu, Windows Help, MS-DOS Program Settings, tune up Application Start, and save the configuration. After it does those things, click Restart Now. Press Enter to boot from the hard disk. Wait for it to boot up again. It should enter your username automatically. If not, type it in. Also type in your password if you have one, and click OK. Then it will set up some more hardware and update your settings again. Then it should bring you to the desktop. Thanks for watching. I hope you're happy with your new Windows 98 SE VM. Bye!